Okay, so guys, now in this video we have to differentiate with respect to the variable involved y is equal to sin 2 theta minus cos 3 theta whole square. And it is very important to note that the question says that with respect to the variable involved, it means that the variable which is given in the question. Okay, so I've done this mistake in the previous question, video number 64, in which we had to differentiate tan cube theta multiplied by secant square theta with respect to the variable involved, and I accidentally took the variable as x. So I was doing dy by dx as the conventional rule says, but actually the variable was theta, so I should have taken dy by d theta. So I just added a pinned comment under that video saying that you have to take dy by d theta and then the question would proceed, right? Okay, in this question we have to again differentiate with respect to the variable involved. Now what is the variable over here? It is theta right over here. So this is my variable. So we have to apply differential on both sides of the equation. So dy by d theta. And when I was discussing the chain rule for finding the differential of different equations, I told you that there is a very specific check for knowing that you are calculating the derivative right or wrong. If you have theta over here, you should have the variable, the theta, in this equation, which is present on the right hand side of the equation. Okay, so we have theta over here, that's perfect. Okay, so now let's just proceed. We have a power over here, and this is the function, and we have a function, we have a power. We can simply add the power at the beginning, then the function minus cos 3 theta, and then the power subtracted by 1. So 2 minus 1 is actually 1. But here comes the concept of the derivative of the angle. Now what is the angle? The angle is anything which is present under the power. So this is the thing which is present under the power, right? So this is the angle. So multiplied by the derivative of the angle. So the angle is sin 2 theta minus cos 3 theta. This term will be as it is, sin 2 theta minus cos 3 theta. And the derivative of sin theta is actually cos theta, right? But over here we have sin 2 theta. So the derivative of sin 2 theta would be cos 2 theta multiplied by, again, the derivative of the angle. Now what is the angle? It is 2 theta right over here. So derivative of 2 theta minus cos 3 theta. Now the derivative of cos is actually negative sine. So the derivative of cos 3 theta would be negative sine 3 theta multiplied by derivative of 3 theta. Okay, so the derivative of cos 3 theta is negative sine theta. Okay, so negative sine 3 theta. Perfect. Now the derivative of the angle. Now what is the angle over here? This is the angle, right? Because we know if we have sine theta, this is the angle. So in this case, this is the angle, and then this is the angle for cos. So the derivative of the angle. How can I write the derivative of the angle? D by d theta 3 theta. Now let's just simplify these things. Cos 2 theta, d theta and d theta are cancelled, so we are left with 2 minus, this is the negative sign. Okay, so we should use a bracket over here, so minus minus plus, then the sine 3 theta. Okay, so the d theta and d theta are cancelled, we are left with 3. Our final answer would be 2 sine 2 theta minus cos 3 theta, and over here we have 2 cos 2 theta plus 3 sine 3 theta. Okay,